everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For my old and new subscribers, welcome. Thank you guys so much for always stopping by. I hope you really enjoy my videos. Please like, share, comment, and let me know what you always think of my videos, and if any suggestion, I really appreciate it. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my face masks at home. This is a peel off mask, so I'll be using activated charcoal and gelatin, and another recipe will be with turmeric. I hope you stay tuned right up to the end to see how I achieve this. Again, this is my own recipe of what I use on my face, like pretty much twice a week. So without further ado, I'll let you guys enjoy the videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe as always, and I love you guys. Bye bye.